This is the old fortress. They're going to walk up, maybe go up to the top, have a good view of the city here.
It looks like Casbah, and it has almost the same, but it is not the same concept of Casbah, because when you go to the they were striving and they have a lot of revolution against the dynasty, the new dynasties. So what the dynasty studying, they want to control them, so that's why they have those two fortresses. But now it's not anymore.
We got cannons down here. There's a cannon down there. So this is a fort. Yeah.
Around 650,000 people living there. Now it's just 250,000. Not that much, because most of the people, they prefer to move to the modern places or to go outside first for other purpose, living economically. There is a lot of changing. So we are going to talk a little bit about that. Let's go to have a seat.
That's the entrance gate where we drove in down there, that you're going to see. There's a winding road that brought us up here. And I guess that's a big parking lot down there.
The one that you see down here, this is a parking.
Yeah, parking.
They just created that one because before there was no need for having parking.
Now everybody's got cars.
And now there is not that much cars as it was before.
And then they have to walk up here?
Now, yes, they have to park the cars. Now you see this is the they make it public one, so the people, they park their cars and they walk inside to go to the Medina, and there is no one parking.
Shadow Man making an appearance here. There he is. Say hi to the Shadow Man.